Okay, this is how the chain story happens. My moms used to say, look son, he's only rapping. My pops used to say to my sisters, watch how you acting. And somewhere in between both, I saw this fashion. My culture was none of that. After and before, I knew this was my life. I knew I was more, laughed at it all. The first card in my deck was 0. The Black Joker, look Paul, he's my superhero. Give me the toy, the video game, all of his hits. You know what the fuck that he do, all of that shit. My mom's got mad and slapped the king in his face. He knocked the first card out of her and called her his ace. I call her Apple C, that's why you and me is different. I've been thinking like that since I was an infant. That's why 2 through 8, they don't mean shit. 9's the white joker, that's King Coon, stick to the script. The name of this game is not whatever you want, but after this say what the fuck ever you want. And let the game play out, however it's laid out. The solution to the nigga in you, play the game out. The name of this game is called Slap a Coon. Take a life as a joke, ma, slap a coon. First nigga with his pants down, slap a coon. You selling drugs to his mother, brother, slap a coon. You fucking your brother's wife, clown, slap a coon. You really calling yourselves bitches, ma, slap a coon. Take those tracks out your head, ma, and slap a coon. You running back and forth to prison, daddy, slap a coon. Grandma praying to idol God, slap a coon. Serving us poison on a plate, slap a coon. What? Slap a coon? You call the police to my house, fam? Slap a coon. You don't know what this is about, fam? Slap a coon. We supposed to correct the courts, fam? Slap a coon. But we arguing and we paying them to slap a coon. You think it's a game? Motherfucker, slap a coon. I love my family. That's why I slap the coon. You tasting more than just weed, fam? Slap a coon. You popping pills, mommy? Really? Slap a coon. You having sex with more than just one man? Slap a coon. You a prostitute and you loving it? I slap a coon. You people crazy. You loving this? Slap a coon. Yo, you really slapping up coons? Look, I said slap a coon, but that's what I do. The Black Joker. And look, let me tell you something. Just because in a page in this book that I wrote right here, where I slapped the coon, does not mean, and I'm still working on it now, it does not mean that you're supposed to run around and slap people around. But this music that we have is not a nigga show with an ER. NIGGA was never ignorant, getting goals accomplished. You're getting goals accomplished, but you're ignorant. That ain't what Pac said. He said one nation. So what are y'all doing? You got ancestors turning over in their grave. You got a voice? Use it. Now I'm going back to sleep. Don't write me no long lists and no coons to slap. You take care of your own business.